This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Silvia Icaza. Spacious floor plan, unit is functional. Tile throughout, plenty of closet space, ample master bedroom with big walk-in closet. Maintenance also includes water, cable, and internet. Very nice view of the canal. This is 55 plus community, one occupant has to be 55 years old. This complex is inside the gated community of Eastern Shores, walking distance to shopping center, cinemas, restaurants, just 1.5 miles from the beach. Very close to AVENTURA Mall, hospitals, and highway access, right next to Sunny Isles. For more information, review the details below or contact Silvia Icaza at 786-488-4245.